This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. New modern construction home in the Meadows. 3-bed plus an office, 2.5 bath with 2,214 square feet. Open floor plan with gas fireplace and covered deck out the back to a view of the green space. Elegant kitchen with LG stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, quartz countertops, tile backsplash, breakfast bar. Home has instant hot water, pot filler in the kitchen, AC and solar panels. Master bedroom is large with walk-in closet and bathroom includes tiled shower with freestanding tub. Pictures are of similar home. For more information, review the details below.